All right, everyone. So as I'm playing this video right now, as you can tell, it's another voiceover because I'm away from my setup, but that's besides the point. Let's talk about my trading today. We made some mistakes. We made 2 mistakes back to back, yesterday and today, but it happens. It's part of trading. So I'm going to skip through this a little bit because I'm going to keep it short and sweet. We were respecting a lot of zones perfectly. We were respecting zones perfectly, but there was just no setups for me to take, and I was kind of getting antsy because the zones were being perfectly respected, and you're seeing price drop, and you're missing out on fucking money. Who wants that? But there's no setups for me to take. Like the price action just wasn't price actioning enough for me to actually take a setup. So okay, I skipped through here. This is where I made the mistake. Now, I count my entries, meaning I count the highs and lows. And what I made the mistake was where, if you can see my mouse, this recent new low, it's kind of hard to see, but this recent new low does not have a wick. So if that recent new low does not have a wick, that entry that I count doesn't exist. So I have to restart. And that's what happened. And I missed that completely. Rookie mistake on my part. Rookie mistake. So I thought this trade was going to be great. I was like, you know what? I'm getting in on this new low right here of this new candle that's happening right now. Let me skip to it. Right here. Okay, so this candle had a new low. Brand new candle on the 15 range chart, by the way. I'm on the 15 range chart. Opened right where I needed to get in. Perfect, right? So I instantly clicked buy. I got excited. I got super excited. Now, I didn't realize until I got stopped out. So I'll let you... Order submitted. Here's me placing my stop and everything. And me getting in this trade instantly, I knew I was going to get stopped out. It was completely like that. And I didn't start recording until 10 o'clock. Because there was news. I wanted to wait till news, and everything was going exactly as planned, just not the setups and not a very good entry on my part. So I got too excited. I was like, I want to make money, but I had FOMO. It is what it is. So order filled. I fucking was a little bit pissed. But let me skip to the part where I show you guys my monthly statement. Okay, that was a little fast. Here's my monthly statement. Now let me explain the monthly statement, and I'll show you how much I made for the month. Where you see the MES and the NQ, I would like to, ignore these trades because on the 13th right here is where I started to trade, actually play the minis. So the 13th all the way through the 28th is where I started to trade the minis. And as you can see right here, all the way from the 13th to the 26th, we were on a winning streak. Besides that $50 loss, we were on a winning streak. But it was bound to happen. So up until the 27th, we had 3 losses back to back. 2 losses in the same day on the 27th, and then a big loss today on the 28th. Now, so that's my monthly statement. Here's how much I made. Let me see if I scroll up. Do I scroll up? There we go. I scrolled up here. So my profit trades were 2,300. Pretty good. Gross P&L, 1,228 or 1,228. And my total with taxes, with trades and commissions, trade fees and commissions, total P&L, 1125.47. That's not bad. What's important is we are up for the month. That's what's really important. We're up for the month. So what brings us for the next month, starting Monday, I will be upping my position size. And you're probably thinking, oh, why are you doing that? You lost 3 days in a row. Well, I'm up for the month. So I'm going to use my monthly profits to trade bigger size. So I'll be trading 3 contracts now instead of 2. Now, if I lose 11.25, we're going back down to 2 contracts. Simple as that. So each month that I am positive on, I will up my position size no matter what, because I want, we're trying to level up here. And yeah, so that's about it. I want to keep my trading 100%, 100% truth, all facts. You know, I have a live account. It's my own money. I'm not trading off a prop firm, nothing like that. So I want to show you guys everything, show y'all I'm not fake. And let's take a break from trading because these last 2 days were a bit frustrating. And let's come back strong next week and next month. Let's freaking triple this month. So I'll see you guys Monday.